Signal Hounds, talking RF, and today we're using the SP145 paired with mapping mode in Spike. The SP145 has an internal GPS, creating a great drive test and mapping solution, making it a must-have for field techs and mobile engineers. Creating a mobile data analysis hub with everything you need to ensure your systems are operating at peak functionality.
Tom Lane from Signal Hound, and this is Talking RF. Today we're doing field demo, so we're going to take the SP145 out for some map testing. So we go to File, Import Session, and the next one will be runway 28R. So I loaded that session. It reset the center frequency to 111.3, which is the ILS frequency for PDX runway 28R. It's a channel power measurement. I'm going to look at a 5 megahertz span with a measured bandwidth of 5 megahertz. We're just outside of the map. We'll see ourselves drop into that map, and then we'll watch and see what we see. So we're starting to see some things come up above the noise floor. Whether or not our experiment of trying to find the ILS transmitter frequency is a bust or not still remains to be seen. We're driving south on 205, heading towards the Glen Jackson Bridge, and there we're beginning to come into the map. We're beginning to see something at our center frequency. So we're, as you can see on the map, we're approaching the airport. A little bit of energy at the center frequency, 111.3, with the noise floor bouncing around all over the place, and then it drops right on. Right next to it is runway 28L, which is broadcasting at 113. That pretty much concludes that. We did see an increase in energy around our center frequency of 111.3 as we approached runway 28R, and then it dropped back off. So ILS channel 50 at a 111.3, which is the instrument landing broadcast from runway 28R from PDX, would be a directional beacon. It's a directional transmission that would allow an airplane on an instrument landing approach to line up with the runway. What we were doing was set our center frequency at 111.3 megahertz, and we're just looking for energy there as we approach that runway from the distance that we're at and just from the 205 highway. And you can see it was pretty low in terms of the broadcast strengths, but you can see that we did have some energy in that region as we expected.
Whether it's for drive or walk test solutions, testing network coverage, or modeling wireless performance on outdoor installations and indoor DAS systems, Spike's RF mapping analysis mode provides the tools for efficiently adding a geospatial data layer to your RF measurements. Like, follow, and subscribe for more Signal Hound and RF content.